Hi, in today's video I would like to introduce you a very nice problem of Italian Mathematical Olympiad of 2007, question number 6. Okay, here is the following statement. Let n superior or equal to 2 be a given integer. Determine the largest real number Cn such that we have this sum as I goes from 1 to the n of 1 is divided by 1 plus a sub I is superior or equal to Cn. Okay, so with this condition, e sub 1 is multiplied by e sub 2 and all the way down to the e sub n equal to 1. Okay, in fact this is very nice problem. Let's remind you with very important and useful formula. Here is a formula which we are going to use here, is called AMGM, arithmetic mean geometry mean value theorem. We have the sum of these terms x1 through the xn is superior or equal to nth root of this product is e sub 1 through the e sub n. Okay, let's go ahead and pause this video. If you would like to give it a try to this problem, when you are ready, come back to see the full solution. Okay, let's jump into the solution by using this formula. So we have this term Cn is inferior or equal to this sum 1 over 1 plus e sub 1 plus 1 over 1 plus e sub 2 and so on and so forth until you get the last term, which is 1 over 1 plus e sub n. So now, in order to use this formula, I'm going to have the n terms here. I'm going to apply this theorem on these terms. I have 1 over 1 plus e sub 1 plus 1 over 1 plus e sub 2 and so on and so forth until you get the last term. This one is superior or equal to, we have n root here, n is multiplied by the product of this one, 1 over 1 plus e sub 1 is multiplied by 1 over 1 plus e sub 2 and all the way down to the last term, which is 1 over 1 plus e sub n. The whole thing is erased to the 1 over and root of this one. If you take a look carefully at these terms, we have the reciprocal of individual term here. So now I'm going to apply the same theorem on each term here, okay, but not in the reciprocal of this one. I'm taking this theorem on in the term which is in denominator. Okay, so now I will get 1 plus e sub 1 is in superior or equal to, I have two terms here, is multiplied by this term itself, because I have 1 is multiplied by e sub 1 multiplied by 1 is giving us the same term e sub 1 to the 1 over 2. The same thing with the second term, 1 plus e sub 2 superior or equal to 2 times this number, the square root of this one, and all the way down to the 1 plus e sub n superior or equal to 2 is multiplied by e sub n to the 1 over 2. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the reciprocal of this one. The reciprocal, I will get to 1 over 1 plus e sub 1 is inferior or equal to 1 over 2 is multiplied by 1 over e sub 1 square root of this one. The same thing with the second term, 1 plus e sub 2 1 over 2 is multiplied by the reciprocal of this one, e sub 2 square root, and all the way down to the last term, which is 1 over 1 plus e sub n is inferior or equal to 1 over 2 is multiplied by 1 over square root of e sub n. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to raise 1 over n as an exponent for each term on both sides, 1 over n so now I'm going to make the product of these numbers. So, but be careful here, because when I take the reciprocal of this one, the inequality will be changed the direction. So this one, the same thing as I have Cn is inferior or equal to this one. Okay, so I'm taking just this one, I put it in the appropriate way. I'm going to take this one and put it, so I'm taking this one and put it in the right direction. So we'll get C sub n is inferior or equal to this product. Let's take this product as a capital A. So we'll have a capital A is inferior or equal to these numbers. I will get 1 over, I will have n root of this one and this one as well. So I will get 2 and root of this one. I'm taking the n root of this to all the way down because I have a product. Okay, and I'm taking the n root of this one, of these terms. I will get 1 over e sub 1 is multiplied by e sub 2 and all the way down to e sub n. All these terms is raised to the power of n root. Okay, so this term, as we have as a first condition, equal to 1. So, and this product is multiplied by n because we have n here. So now C sub n is inferior or equal to this one, and is divided by this product. This product will be written on this form. 2 is multiplied by 2 to 1 n plus 1 over n plus, and all the way down to the 1. I will have the sum of these two. I will have the sum of these terms is multiplied by this one is given as 1. These whole terms will be turned into 1. So this one equal to n is divided by 2. This one is n times 1 over n, which is 2 is multiplied by n is multiplied by 1 over n. N is multiplied by 1 over n, which is 1. I will get n over 2. Okay, so the largest term of this sub n is inferior, C sub n is inferior or equal to n over 2. Okay, so the largest number C sub n can take is n over 2. Okay, I have done with this problem. If you are interested in watching this one, just don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.